Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then what you have to do? Yes, you already know it. Yes, you have to hit a like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and if you're completely new, then you have to subscribe my channel and also tap the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you don't want to miss anything of this video, then you have to watch the video till the end. Friends, once again welcome to the videos on spoken English series, and today I'm going to discuss with you about an important topic, that is how to say goodbye after meeting a person. I think you are fed up of saying goodbye all the time or bye bye all the time, right? So why don't we try another ways of saying goodbye after meeting a person? Okay? Let's try some other manners of saying goodbye to a person or persons after meeting them. Take care. Bye. Later, man, or later, bro. Have a good one. It's time to be going. Catch you later. Keep in touch. See you. Have a good day. Alright, everyone. It's time to head off. Anyway, guys, I'm going to take a move. Okay, everyone, it's time to leave you. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you soon. Talk to you later. So these are certain ways which I have discussed with you about how to say goodbye after meeting a person. So try to imply these in your regular conversations and make your conversation more impressive. And I have given a link in the description box, and also you can check the I button above for the other videos or the spoken English series. So for today, thank you.